How to write fraction in document. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open the document file. Once you do, simply click on the folder where you want to include the fraction numbers. After that, there are two methods by which you can write fraction. So the very first one is to simply click on the area where you want to include the fraction number. Click on Insert at the top. Once you do, you will see the option of equation in the right hand side. So simply click on it. Now in this equation box, simply write 1/ another number. Then after hit the enter key and you will be able to see the fraction digit. Now the other method is to go to equation again, choose the option of fraction, and from there you can choose the format of fraction which you want. And you can simply write the numbers. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.